Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna talk to you something about time wasting. You're probably thinking, why do I have no time in my life? Well, I'm gonna be quick today, right? So I'm not gonna go very detailed, but first of all, do you have a phone? If you have a phone, I can guarantee you that you're using your time the wrong way. You're wasting your time, basically. That's all I wanna say. You come home, and the first thing you do is open Snapchat, quickly check the chats, quickly chat if someone said something. Alright, okay, I'm gonna just watch. Alright, you eat food. You eat food, right? Or you go on the toilet and you're just scrolling on the TikTok, on YouTube Shorts, replying to your friends' messages or something like that, right? Checking the emails, checking the news, checking some random ass bullshit. But that's bullshit. Why are you doing that? Listen, it's 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes before you eat, 5 minutes when you're on the toilet, 5 extra minutes on the toilet, aka, right? You could be 5 minutes out of the toilet earlier if you wouldn't be on the phone. 5 minutes more you're eating because you're on the phone. 5 minutes more when you come home just because you're just standing there or sitting on the couch and watching the stupid shit, or 15 minutes, right? And this over time compounds into a good amount of time, for example, an hour, half an hour. And like, that's a lot of time wasted that you could be spending on studying, working on your business, developing, learning, educating, reading, doing self-improvement habits. See, whatever, when you say you don't have the time, and if you're using your phone the way I just told you, you're basically lying to yourself you're not lying to anyone else but yourself. You have time, but you're wasting it with stupid activities. And I'm not saying, like, of course reply to your friends' text messages, of course, why not? But like, don't do this constantly. Let's say you can do this while you're eating, right? But as soon as you're done eating, you have to focus on your work. You can do this before you go to sleep. I mean, before you go to meditate, before you go to sleep. That's a good habit to do, to meditate, right? Before you go to sleep, so you wind down. Or maybe you just text while you're on the bus, while you're waiting, while you have nothing else to do, but you usually have something to do. Even if you think you have nothing else to do, there's usually some type of activity. You could be remembering, what was there I have to learn? Or you could be making a plan on how you're gonna achieve something, or you could be thinking about, how am I gonna do this? How am I gonna do that? What is my next goal? How am I gonna reach that step? How am I gonna learn this? What was that thing we were learning today again? Let me rephrase it, or something like that, right? You can always be doing something, or you can be doing something smart like playing chess or something like that, or meditating, learning, journaling, reading, instead of being on your phone and wasting your time by watching social media, stupid influencers that have no value info to give you, but just flex. Oh, look at my biceps, oh, strong. Like, I don't give a fuck about your biceps. Rather than watching that guy with big biceps, I mean, of course it can be a motivation for some of you, but like, rather than watching that pictures all day, 100 different biceps from 100 different guys, or whatever the hell you're doing, rather than that, you saw the first guy and you were like, fuck, I want this kind of biceps. What are you waiting for? Stand the fuck up, go learn, educate yourself on fitness, go to the gym, start working out, and stay consistent and disciplined, and you're gonna get there. Educate yourself, find a way to get there, make a plan. Don't just say, oh, I wish I was like that. Bro, you can be like that if you do something together. So do something together. Stay hard. And remember, pain sucks, but it all makes you stronger.